and I've just completed my Kundalini yoga teacher training with roots to tantric philosophy here at Vinyasa Yogashala, and I've had an incredible experience. The teachers here are so embodied and so passionate about helping you to really awaken to your potential and to move with the different parts of your life that you feel called to really explore deeper. And it really, really feels like a family. The teachers, everybody from all around the world that's come in to learn. You really learn so much from each other. And there's that space to really feel what sings to your soul, to really feel into that vibration and go further with that, because there's so many different classes. For me, the tantric philosophy was a class that I will never forget. It was beautiful, and to me it really showed and demonstrated the roots and foundations to life, to our existence. And I'm really, really grateful to be able to embody these teachings into my work. I'm very, very grateful to the family here. So thank you so much.